You alright? Yeah. It might be better to know. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the pins out of here.
Got it. So a little bit extra, just so we can flip it inside, yeah?
No, it needs to be done when we unfold this now.
It is, yeah, that's what I picked it.
Have you had a little practice? What do you need?
Sometimes these dresses we've got bits. So
Perfect. And then we're going to, if you hold it up here, just don't put your fingers on the silver, just keep them on this side. That's the use. And white is that's the leg.
Sorry.
yeah, they are sharp, so be careful with your fingers. What I'm going to do, I go in and through. Yeah, you do that and I'm going to cut that out. It's almost inside out. Right, let's have a look. You cut it. You're just having a look, yeah? That's a hand. About there, because that's plenty of fabric. You make that so it's not knotted for you, okay? So your leg controls that. If you go, press it hard, it goes faster. You want to stop? Have you had a go with this yet? Yeah, you control it with your leg.
We'll take the pins out.
So you're going to am I alright just to jump on and sew this round bit for you? Can I just sew this bit for you? Because it's a bit tricky, yeah? So I'm just gonna, all I'm doing is I'm going to jump on the machine and just sew this little round bit because that's quite the difficult part. And then you're going to do the rest, okay?
Oh yeah, when's your birthday?
So is anyone watching the sewing bit?
You watch the same day. Pull that through. Scrap that section in.
And you want to cut it. You want to cut it about 35.
There we go. So now what we're gonna
Yeah, okay. Short a bit.
Remember, that was just me being
Actually, you'll be over there. Yeah. Oh, you're doing amazing. That is us. Yeah. That is us. So there's more around. Yeah, so no, you fold down.
so not like that, but you're gonna sew that all the way around. So it'd be easier with a hand. Do that or I think you can do it. So just get some thread and there.
The needle.
Not that.
I did a lot of this.